Hello and welcome to Stocks Advisor channel. Here at our channel we are looking for interesting buy opportunities for US based stocks. Today we will have a look at the Groupon Incorporated traded at Nasdaq. It's a very interesting stock because today it has observed yesterday it observed a magic cross down. Its situation when moving average 20 hits from the top moving average 50, which creates very strong bearish signal and indicates bearish situation to start. So for the moment, of course, it's not nice to buy, but if you know when it starts going down and when it can stop, it can open for you interesting buy opportunities. So and to understand those, first let's have a look on general situation with the stock, what was happening with it, and then we can see what would be the interesting entry points. So the stock had actually starting from beginning of April a very nice uptrend, which was confirmed many times. It was really strong one that lasted 2 months, and then actually at 8th of June it ended. As many as for many other stocks, actually, if you also watch our other videos, you can see this was kind of a general trend for many stocks that day. It's actually a very unique situation overall now in the market because of the COVID down break that happened at 17th of March. A lot of stocks were like aligned together, suppressed together, aligned together, and now they are evolving. And still, because not that much time passed from this moment, the evolution is very similar to each other, especially for stocks having similar market capacity and overall market situation. So it's very unique, I think, situation overall. And this also allows to translate analysis from some of the stocks to others and easier understand patterns that are taking place. So coming back to Groupon, actually June of 8 there was end of trend up. Then it was the end of the trend was confirmed also actually at 15th of June when it couldn't pass again after the wave up and down. It couldn't return to the trend, and this trend, let's call it trend 1, then worked at 15th of June as resist line, causing a strong rejection of the price, and then now it's steady going down, really steady and smooth. Already second week the price is going down. Then the question is what will happen? Will it go further down? Until how much? Well, yesterday we observed the magic cross down. As I said, this creates really strong downwards pressure. Also, if you look at the candles, today's candle is also quite bearish. So it seems like the acceleration of down will only increase. So it really will go like that. I think by the end of the week, of this week, it will be very low, especially given that tomorrow is Thursday and then Friday sadness comes. My Friday sadness situation when traders are leaving not very strong stocks for weekend because they don't want to stay in the position. So this is quite possible here. Most probably Friday there will be quite some dip, and then next week start till the middle it will be still bearish. Then we will see some first indications. So that's the situation here. Also, if you looked at RSI when it was the maximum on the top of this green trend 1, then started to decline. Now it's going to constantly going to oversold situation, slowly creating upwards pressure. It's not yet there completely, but it's being developed there. So which is a good positive thing. Also, if you look at MACD, it's after having a classical maximum and the top of the wave, positive wave at 8th of June. Now it's going down and has this like a double wave, and then seems like another wave is going to form. So this wave number 3 is actually what will be created when we have this deceleration after magic cross. So these 3 things like 1, 2, and 3, they're very well correlating here, and gives us quite strong idea of what's going to happen. So if the piercing goes and takes place, continues, we will have some nice buying opportunities opening here. So the first buying opportunity will be actually at this level. The second buy opportunity will be at that level, and this makes us 2 buying boxes. let's put them in green. So this will be box number 1, this will be box number 2. So these will be entry points. 1 and 2 will be very strong buy. Also, there is still like one small support line here at this level. Let me draw it. Yeah, on this level. It might work as kind of a volatility point, actually. In this case, I don't think it will be any serious support, but it might work as a volatility point. So here we might have some volatility before going to box 1 or box 2. Once this takes place, then reversal should happen, and then actually this line, let's call it L1, will work as a first resist. As well as some volatility can be observed at the top of box 1 area here. So at the immediate go up with some volatility, and this would be an interesting selling position for this stock. Also, depending on how the moving averages, the green and blue line, moving averages 20 and 50 will behave, we will see if we can have some other catalyst going up or not. Also, it will depend on the market situation on Groupon. Maybe they will give some news and some catalyst will come. So that's it for Groupon. Thank you for watching, and do not forget to subscribe to our channel.